What's up, guys? Heavenly Singer here, and right now I am waiting for my chicken to be done. But in the meantime, since it's about another 21 minutes, I feel like we need to discuss something. I'm just kidding. I don't really don't have anything to discuss with y'all, but we might as well just like bless the freestyle because Heavenly Singer. So it's what I do. It's in the name. I mean, I guess it's not because freestyling isn't really singing, but I just kind of like left the singing road into freestyling. But it's all the same. It's all the same. So here we go. The rap devil beat. I like it. Yeah. 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 I am the one every prodigy, one in the streets, and I'm always continue. Wondering what's happening. I'm flipping the syllables, accident. Damn, I don't even want to pull the trigger, but you're trying to press it still bigger when you know that you're nothing. And maybe it's something, and maybe I'm going to tap a little crazy and daisy and twazy. And over the years, and I'm wrecking my peers. Yeah, but I pray you're gonna strive tonight, cause you know when I'm playing, I'm saying you wonder what's happening, I'm flipping the syllables, action, I put you in the suku, now me listen, lucid dream, I'm bringing lucid here, listen to me, cause you know I don't accept defeat, about to lay you on your feet, things are something when you know that you're nothing, yeah, ooh. Maybe my eyes are deceiving, maybe I'm going to top of look crazy, and over the years, and I'm walking in my mansion, feeling rich, gonna bury you 6 feet deep in a ditch, cause you wanna start beef with me when you know that you were nothing to me, yeah, Damn, I can't freestyle right now. I'm kind of repeating what I say. But, yeah. Yo, yo, yo. Have been listening, I have been listening in the ring. I'm reaching no breakers, me burning. I mean, that's my king to sing. You know that you haven't been messing me, cause I'm an ultimate rapping apparel. Yeah, apparel. No, I can't do it right now. Let me try a different beat. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm the one to be prodigy, wondering what's happening. I'm flipping the signal, what's happening, vanishing, and you vanish, cause you know that you're nothing, and maybe it's something, and maybe I'm going and traveling look crazy and lazy. Over the years, and I'm wrecking my peers, yeah, yeah. I don't gotta use no autotune, I'm a crying wolf for the flying moon, cause you know that I'm flying all the way to the moon, I'm going to the stars, cause you knew that just so far, and everyone said that I never reached this high, now look at me chilling in the sky, looking so fly. But have been listening, I have been listening, I'm not ringing, I'll be snail breaking from about 9 minutes, my king listening, if you think that you're gonna mess with me, know that you might go in the top a little crazy, yeah. No, I can't freestyle right now. I'm doing bad. But wait, what's this? Which eye color best suits that girl? I don't know. Right, rip. The cut is great. Oh, thank you, man. Kind of age, huh? Thank you. I know. My haircut's pretty good. Yo, I just I have PlayStation Net right now. If you wanna add me, my username is Otaku Sensei with 3 eyes. Otaku Sensei 3 eyes. That's my thing. But you have to use PlayStation, and I know like a lot of you like to use Xbox. Like, why do you even use Xbox? Like, Xbox is retarded. But anyways, vanished. But just in case you guys want to see like how well I can exercise, like watch this. Oh my god. Man, that was a sweat. Oh my god. Give me a second. It's all better. But I'm trying to not talk that loud, because it's it's pretty late at night, and you know what? It doesn't even open, man. Why are you still watching this video? Like, nothing's really been going on for like the last couple of minutes. Like, you know, like, I'm sorry you guys had to watch that. But give me a second. Guys, you have to see how sad my fridge looks, man. Like rotten bologna, whatever that is. Some like mashed up stuff, even more mashed up stuff, It's terrible. But I don't even know what to talk about, man. Let's go in my room. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna show you something. Watch this. Watch. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Watch this. Wait, give me a second. No, I'm like, look at my eyes. It's amazing. Darkness. Shh. Okay, so here's my room. I feel like I'm in such a big house, and yet I'm stuck in the laundry room. Like, what is this? Why did you move the laundry room into an actual room, put a dresser there, put a freaking another dresser there, and put a freaking TV in there, and like, I don't even understand the physics of that. Why do you have the laundry in an actual room that I'm sleeping in? But hold on. You know what? Probably shouldn't turn my PlayStation on. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry this video wasn't that exciting because, you know, it's at nighttime and I got overloaded because I was like playing Fortnite and like I realized how good it is now. But I'll make sure to post tomorrow and the day so it can be more exciting for all of y'all. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want to be part of the Heavenly family.